Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The 2026 Westfalia camping van represents a perfect blend of classic camper van soul and modern innovation, offering adventurers a mobile living experience that is as comfortable as it is capable. From the moment you see it, the Westfalia's exterior communicates purpose. A tall, well-proportioned roofline that maximizes interior volume. Clean, modern lines combined with rugged accents and windows designed to let in plenty of natural light while maintaining a strong aerodynamic profile. The sliding side door and large rear doors make loading gear or accessing the living space effortless. And options such as roof racks, solar panels, and exterior awnings hint at the van's readiness for outdoor exploration. Whether parked beside a lake at sunrise or cruising down the freeway toward your next destination, the Westfalia camping van makes a strong visual statement about freedom and adventure. Stepping inside the 2026 Westfalia camping van immediately reveals how well thought out the interior is. The layout feels open, inviting, and perfectly optimized for daily living on the road. High-quality materials and finishes create an atmosphere that feels more like a cozy home than a traditional van interior. Soft upholstery, durable cabinetry, and smart lighting make the space feel both warm and functional. The driver and passenger seats are comfortable and supportive, designed for long drives, and often swivel to become part of the living area once parked, expanding the usable interior space without crowding. The living space of the Westfalia camping van is adaptable and inviting, designed with multiple configurations to suit various needs. A comfortable seating and dining area forms the core of the interior, providing a place to enjoy meals, relax, or even work remotely. Large windows surround the space, flooding it with natural light and offering panoramic views of your surroundings. Privacy shades or curtains allow for restful sleep and personal space when needed. The seating area easily converts into a sleeping area with a high-quality mattress that ensures restful nights after long days of travel and adventure. Clever storage solutions are integrated throughout. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, and hidden cubbies keep gear and essentials neatly organized without cluttering the living area. The kitchen in the 2026 Westfalia camping van is compact yet comprehensive, designed to support full meal prep while on the road. Featuring a sink with an efficient fresh and gray water system, a stove or cooktop, and a refrigerator, the kitchen space makes it easy to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner without relying on restaurants or external facilities. Storage cabinets and drawers are strategically placed so that cookware, utensils, and pantry items are easy to reach and stow away. The countertop space is designed smartly with fold-out sections or multi-use surfaces that make prepping meals a breeze. LED task lighting ensures that even evening meal preparation is bright and efficient, enhancing the sense of comfort in the interior. Sleeping arrangements in the Westfalia camping van are designed for both comfort and flexibility. The versatile layout allows for arrangements that accommodate couples, families, or solo travelers. The bed setup is comfortable and secure, with options for elevated platforms or convertible configurations that make the most of interior space without sacrificing comfort. Insulation and climate control systems work together to maintain pleasant temperatures throughout the year, keeping the cabin cozy during chilly nights and cool during warm days. Ventilation fans and roof vents help manage airflow, ensuring comfort no matter where you park. Power and self-sufficiency are key strengths of the 2026 Westfalia camping van. Optional solar panels paired with auxiliary battery systems allow for extended stays off-grid without the need for electrical hookups, powering lights, fans, and small appliances. USB and 12-volt outlets are thoughtfully placed to make device charging convenient throughout the van. Efficient heating and climate systems make year-round travel possible without compromise, making the Westfalia as comfortable in winter landscapes as it is in summer settings. Safety and drivability are equally prioritized, with advanced features such as rear-view cameras, parking assist, lane departure warnings, and stability systems